How to underline in WhatsApp. In this video, I'll show you step by step on how to underline a text in WhatsApp. So let's say now I want to underline text in this one. So let's say, as you can see now, I send this WhatsApp to this person. Now I want to underline it. So I'll copy the text like this now. After you copy the text, now close your WhatsApp and go to your browser. So for this video, I'll use Chrome browser. After you open your browser, go and search for text underline like this now. Go and type in text underline like this and search. So after you search text underline, it will give you different websites. Just open the first website, this one. After you open the first website, down here is website yaytext.com. Here is website. So now scroll to down. So in this option here, it says your text. So now delete the text. So all you have to do now, go and now paste in the text that you copy. I will now press my hand and paste in the text and copy. So here is text now. If you scroll to down, as you can see now, here is it. Now it underline the text. Tap on this copy button. After you copy now the text, now go back to your WhatsApp. After you open your WhatsApp like this, now long press your hand in this section and tap on this paste button and now send. So now I send my text with the underline. That's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.